Steel. Steel is used to make machinery due to its strength, durability, and resistance to rust. It is a mixture of metals like iron and chromium and nonmetals such as carbon. Each component plays its role, such as iron provides strength and durability. 2. Chromium prevents rust and corrosion. 3. Carbon determines the hardness and strength of the steel. Petrol. Petrol is fuel for vehicles. It is a mixture of hydrocarbons such as heptane, octane, and other additives, each playing a certain role. Gasoline. It is the main part of petrol and provides the energy to make vehicles move. 2. Octane. It helps to keep the engine running smoothly. Other compounds in petrol also contribute to its energy and combustion properties. Lemonade. Lemonade is a very refreshing mixture in summer. It is a mixture of sugar, water, lemon juice, and salt. Can you tell the role of each ingredient present in lemonade? Knowledge 7.2 Special mixtures. Mixtures can be in any state of matter such as solid, liquid, or gas. Each type of mixture has its own significance. Now, we will study one of the special kind in all three mixture. 7.2.1 Solid mixture, alloys. A mixture of metals with other metals is called an alloy. Metals are first melted and then mixed together to make a mixture. However, the atoms of metals do not make a bond with each other, they just mix together. Brass. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Bronze. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin and other metals such as zinc, manganese, nickel, and aluminum. Amalgam. Amalgam is an alloy of mercury with silver and tin. Figure 7.8 Tooth filling of amalgam. 7.2.2 Liquid mixtures, solutions. Homogeneous liquid mixtures are called solutions. A solution has two components, i.e., solute and solvent. A solute is in a lesser amount and is dissolved. A solvent is in greater amount and dissolve the solute in it. The solvent that dissolves most of the things in it is called a universal solvent. Water is a universal solvent. Experiment 2. Water as universal solvent. Materials required: graduated cylinder, 9 test tubes, test tube rack, water, alcohol, vegetable oil, sugar, salt, and margarine. Procedure. Number your test tubes 1, 9. Pour 10 milliliters of alcohol into TT marked 4, 6. Mix a teaspoon of sugar in TT 1, 4, and 7. Place a small piece of margarine in TT 3, 6, and 9. O. Pour 10 milliliters of water into TT marked 1, 3. O. Pour 10 milliliters of vegetable oil into TT marked 7, 9. O. Mix a teaspoon of salt in 2, 5, and 8. O. Cover each test tube with your thumb and shake. Observations. Observe and record the results in your notebook. Results. What conclusions can you make about water as a solvent? 7.2.3 Gaseous mixture, air. Our planet Earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air, which is a mixture of different compounds and elements in a certain proportion. The gases vital for life, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, together constitute 21% of air, while the largest proportion of it comprises nitrogen gas, which moderates combustion. Beside these gases, water vapors, dust, and smoke particles also have a minute share in its composition. Air is said to be a mixture of all its constituents that show their individual properties. These components can be separated out through the process of distillation.